single, double, triple, quadruple, ...
Ever wondered what comes next? Well, get ready to supercharge your English vocabulary, because today we're diving into 10 powerful words that will make you sound like a pro. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going on a linguistic journey from 1 to 10, but not how you think. We'll explore the definition of each word, see it in action with multiple examples, uncover some fun facts, and finish with a quick quiz to lock in your learning. Ready? Let's get started.
First up, the one and only, single. Single simply means one. I have a single apple. But it can also mean unmarried, like she's a single mother of two. Or it can emphasize uniqueness, as in please answer with a single word, easy, right? Next, we have double, which means 2 or twice the amount. For example, the magician made the rabbit double in number. You might also order food this way. I'll have a double cheeseburger, please. Did you know the word double comes from the Latin duplus, meaning twofold? Moving on to 3, we have triple. This means 3 parts or 3 times the amount. An athlete might perform a triple backflip, or if you're baking for a crowd, the recipe requires a triple batch of sugar, the origin. Latin triplus, you're starting to see a pattern here. Now for number 4, quadruple. This means 4 times as much. A fortress could be protected by quadruple walls. In a medical context, someone might undergo quadruple bypass surgery, and you guessed it, this word comes from the Latin quadruplus. At number 5, we find quintuple. That's 5 times the amount. A truly amazing gymnast might stick the landing of her quintuple twist. In the music industry, a quintuple platinum album is an incredibly rare achievement, signifying 5 million sales. Halfway there, number 6 is sextuple, meaning sixfold. Imagine this dessert. The sextuple layer chocolate cake was a dessert lover's dream in business. You might hear, the company's investment saw a sextuple return. Its root is the Latin word sextus, meaning 6. Let's talk about 7 with septuple. This means consisting of 7 parts. A fantasy series could be a septuple volume epic. For all you tech fans, a file could be protected by septuple encryption. This word traces back to the Latin septem, for 7. Next up, number 8 is octuple, meaning 8-fold. A chess grandmother might play an octuple board simultaneous match, and in the animal kingdom, a spider has an octuple set of eyes. This word comes from the Latin octo, which means 8. Look at you, learning Latin too. We're almost at the end. Number 9 is nonuple, which means 9 times. It's a rare word, but you might see it in extraordinary situations, like the family had a nonuple set of twins, a world record, or in a spy movie. The final password required a nonuple digit code. And finally, we've reached number 10, decuple. This means to multiply by 10. A financial analyst might predict the tech giant's value is expected to decuple in the next 5 years. It can also describe a feeling. He felt a decuple increase in his confidence after winning.
Alright, you've learned all 10 words. Now it's time for the ultimate vocabulary quiz to see what you remember. I'll ask 5 fill-in-the-blank questions. Let's see how you do.
Question 1. A baseball player who hits the ball and runs to third base scores a ... word. The answer is ... triple. Question 2. If you make twice the amount of money, your income has what? The correct word is ... doubled. Question 3. A cake with 7 layers is a what layer cake? It's a ... septuple layer cake. Question 4. An octopus has 8 arms, which is an what set of limbs? That would be an ... octuple set of limbs. And the final question. If a price increases by 10 times, it has what? It is ... decupled.
How did you do? Let me know in the comments. Congratulations on completing the lesson and leveling up your vocabulary. The best way to remember these words is to start using them. Try to slip them into your daily conversations or your writing. If you learned something new today, do me a favor and hit that like button, subscribe for more language lessons, and comment below with a sentence using one of these new words. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.